everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bundll application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Bundll application right on your iPhone is easy. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open up your App Store. In the search box, type in Bundll and perform your search. You'll be able to find this application that says Bundll Buy Now, Pay Later Everywhere application. Simply tap the Get button to begin the downloading process. Once the application is downloaded and if it is completed, you'll be able to see the app shortcut on your home screen of your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.